welcome to today's construction class. My name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing or Lalekun, the founder of MaekllTech. Alright, today we're considering the problem displayed on the screen. It is an assembly drawing problem. So we are assembling three components. Okay. So the first component we'll be considering here is the casting. Okay. And we have the second component, which is the plug, and the third component, which is the fiber washer. Now, take note of this. This casting is in first angle. We have the front view and we have the plan. All right. So this plug, is it here, and we have the washer. So we will be assembling it. Then after assembling it, it says place the plug and the fiber washer in position in the casting and draw front elevation, section on plane XX, a section on plane YY. Okay, so I have been saying in previous videos, if you have an idea of how to turn your object into pictorial view, be it isometric or oblique, it is going to be of great help to you, because by then you actually have a picture of how your object looks like. Then you will know where each of these other ones will actually fit in. Now, then I told you to actually compare dimensions together. Okay, and if I'm comparing, this is M24, meaning this part is threaded and the size is also 24, metric of 24. And if I'm looking at my object here, it is coming all the way to this area. You can see this M24, which is what? This space. And this space aligns with what? This hole here. So it means this hole I'm saying on the plan is what? Is M24. This object is going to actually enter that place. And before this object actually enters here, I have a washer. Okay, this washer, I think they made mistake. There should be an hidden line on it showing a hole. So this washer has a hole of diameter 24 on the inside, because this plug is going to enter this washer and it is going to fit into this area here. Okay, now to progress from here, I'm going to actually show you how this object looks like pictorially before we assemble them all together. All right. So the first one, which is the casting, and that is it. This is it here. This is it right here. So if I turn it to let's say glass mode for you, so that you can ascertain. Yeah, if I turn it to glass mode, you see, then I turn it to you like this, front view. You see that it actually aligns with what you have here. Okay, it aligns with it. So then I'm having my plan, which is this. You see that? So that is it. So that is the pictorial view of our object right there. But I'm going to actually make it something solid. So that is our object. So this object, actually, it is enclosed at all edge, but the inside of this place is hollow. As you can see, the inside is what? The inside is hollow. There is space on the inside. The inside is empty. Okay, the inside is empty. That is our casting. Right there. Okay. And the second object is the fiber washer, which is this. So I already drilled the hole of 24 inside it. And the third one is the plug, which is this, our M24 plug. Okay, and this is how that is going to actually look like. You see, threaded part right there. Okay, so with that settled and done, the next thing is to assemble. And going to my assembly environment, I'm going to place the three objects right here. So placing the three objects right there, I'm going to ground this, ensuring it doesn't shake. So grounding this position like this and like this. And we already decided that this washer is going to enter inside this area here. So I'm going to insert this to this place. You see that? That's going to be sitting right there. I'm going to do apply, then here to this place, then apply, and that is how this object is going to sit. That is how it's going to sit. Do you see? So that is how that object is going to sit. When we assemble it, this is how it's going to look like. The assembly details. This is how it's going to look like. Okay. Let me just save this. So next thing is now to do the main problem we were given in this particular question. Everything I'm doing so far is just for you to actually understand how your objects look like. Now, to solve the main problem, it says a front elevation, a section on plane XX, a section on plane YY. That section on plane XX is asking for what? If you watch my video on explanation of our sectional view, I said if they section your front elevation, then facing downward, you have to show the what sectional plan. That's the meaning. So if they section your plan facing either upward or downward, then what they're asking for is what is sectional front elevation. Okay, and if they section either your plan or your front view to be facing sideways like this, or that's my front view and this is my plan. If your plan or front view is section facing sideways, what they're asking for is what is the sectional end view, sectional end view. And in this case, let us start fixing it. So I'm producing a front elevation, a sectional plan, and a sectional end view. Front elevation, sectional plan, sectional end view in first angle projection. In first angle projection. So coming right here, I'm going to place my object. Yeah, this is my object. You see that? So but here is where we are giving us our front view. So I'm going to bring this down here like this, bringing it right there like that. I can increase the scale a little. Yeah, I think this is going to work like this. Hopefully it's not too big. I think that's too big. 0.8. Okay, I think it's okay that way. So I have my object like that in terms of the front view. Then I'm going to do the sectional plan. Okay, they cut it from here and facing downward. So this will be my sectional plan view like this. That's my sectional plan view. And if you check this thing, our end view facing sideways like this. So and this is first angle. So end view is going to be beside the front view. Okay, like this. So this is my sectional end view, and take note, this shouldn't be so this shouldn't be arched because it is a fitting, and this is how our object is going to actually look like. That is the solution to our problem. This is the solution to it. So all you have to do is just fix the dimension and you are good to go. You are good to go. So that's our object as requested for a front view, a section on plane XS, a section on plane YY. So this is our front view. This here is our front view. This here is section on plane XX, while this is section on plane YY, and that is that about that. Once again, my name remains Oluwatunbi Blessing or Lalikon, the founder of MaekllTech. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.